Hi guys, so this video shows how to solve battery drain issue and improve battery backup. Open settings app, then go down and tap on device care. Then tap on battery. Then tap on battery usage. Then go down. Here you can see list of apps, and in this right side you can see percentage of battery usage. So from this list we can see that the battery usage of Chrome browser is very high. It's 3.9 percentage, you can see here, and battery usage of One UI Home is 1.4 and YouTube is 1.4. So from this list we need to find which app uh, is taking more percentage. So in this case it's Chrome. Then tap on Chrome and make sure that this option is enabled. In this phone right now the sleep has disabled for this Chrome browser. So when you enable sleep, it put this app to sleep immediately when it's not in use. So when we are not using Chrome, it will automatically go into sleep mode. So that way we can save battery. So make sure that this option is enabled. You can go through all the apps in the list and enable that option. So that way we can save battery. So that is one option. So let me go back. Here you can see power mode. Tap on that. So by default it has selected optimized. If you select adaptive power saving mode, right now it's disabled. If you select it, based on your usage it automatically select the power mode. So right now it's disabled and I manually selected power mode optimized. So here you can see the option optimized, medium power saving, maximum power saving. You can try maximum power saving, just select it. So here you can see how it's going to save the power. You can see turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, brightness minus 10%. If you want this, you can tap on apply. So that is the maximum power saving mode. So let me check the medium. You can see the medium. You can see extend battery life up to 1 day 14 hours by applying the settings below. For maximum power saving, you can see extend your battery life up to 5 days 6 hours. Okay, let me cancel it. Then go back. So let me tap on this app power management. So here make sure that you have selected these two options, adaptive battery and put unused apps to sleep. And here you can see sleeping apps. You can tap on that and you can add apps for which you want to enable sleep. You can tap on add apps and you can select the apps from the list. So that way we can enable sleep mode on the app. And if you want some app you don't want to put into the sleep mode, those apps you can add here. You can see apps that won't be put to sleep. Here you can add the apps for which you don't want sleep mode. Let me go back, and here you can see fast cable charging. If you enable this option, your phone will charge very fast. Make sure that you also enabled this fast cable charging. So this way we can fix battery drain issue and improve battery backup. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.